Hey, how's it going? So a lot of people really get hung up on marking their spark plug wires when they work on their cars. And I think a better way to do it is to understand how your car works, so you don't have to worry about that. You just put stuff back. Now, granted, it is safer to mark them, because then you know where everything went, and you can always make a mistake. Anyhow, so if you ever took off your spark plug wires and you're like, well, how do I put this back on? I'll show you. So the only thing you have to remember with just about every 90s Honda Civic that I've worked on, or Honda motor, and I guess that goes into the Acura's too, their firing order on the distributor, you just take the number 2 and put it at the end. That's all you got to remember. So the spark plugs are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, but the firing order is 1, 3, 4, and then it goes back to 2. And if you know that, the only thing you really need to know is where number 1 is on your distributor. And on most distributors on Hondas, they usually have a mark, and here's the number 1 there. So knowing that, I just got to take also your good spark plug wires, the lengths are all different, so the longest run is going to be your number 1 spark plug wire. But anyway, so all you do is take your number 1, you just put it on the number 1 spot, and then remember I said we skip over 2, so next one would be number 3. Okay, now you get number 3 done. Next you can do number 4. That's going to be your closest one. It'd almost be better to mark the number 2 spark plug wire. Just remember to put that one on last. And then of course just double check your number 1. You should go to number 1, then we should go to 3, then we should go to 4, and then lastly is number 2. There you go. So that's how you put your spark plug wires back on. Hope this helps somebody out there. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and you have a great day.